Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain tech. Today, we're tackling how to add USDT to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're diving into cryptocurrencies like Tether USDT for stability and ease, Phantom Wallet is a fantastic choice for its user-friendly interface and security features. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick update, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet installed. Head to the official Phantom website or your device's app store, download it, and create or log into your account. It's crucial to use the legitimate app to avoid scams. Always double-check the source. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and make sure it's updated to the 2025 version for optimal compatibility. You'll see your dashboard. If you're new, take a moment to set up your wallet with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Step 2. Acquire some USDT. You can buy it from popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or directly via a crypto app. Transfer it to a compatible network. USDT is often on Ethereum or Solana, so select the right one based on Phantom's supported chains in 2025. Step 3. In Phantom, go to the Send, Receive section. Copy your Phantom Wallet address. Double-check it's for the correct network to prevent losses. Then, from your exchange or another wallet, initiate a transfer of USDT to this address. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Step 4. Once transferred, refresh your Phantom Wallet. You should see your USDT balance appear. If it doesn't show up, check the network settings or look for any transaction errors on the Blockchain Explorer. A quick tip. Always use small test amounts first to verify everything works smoothly, and keep an eye on fees, they can add up. By 2025, Phantom might have even more integrated features, like easier bridging tools, so stay updated. There you have it. Adding USDT to your Phantom Wallet is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.